Welcome. Let us settle into this moment together. Find a comfortable position. Allow your body to be supported. Whether you are sitting or lying down, find stillness and ease. If your eyes are open, gently lower your gaze or close them now. Let your hands rest softly, palms up to receive or palms down to feel grounded. Take a deep breath in together. Inhale slowly, filling your lungs completely. Hold your breath for 3 seconds. And exhale slowly, releasing any tension or holding. Let your breath now return to its natural rhythm. Easy and gentle, effortless. Now, bring your full awareness to your breath. Notice the subtle sensations of the air as it enters your nostrils. The coolness, the freshness. And as it leaves, the warmth, the release. Feel the gentle expansion of your chest or the rise of your belly. With each inhale, a filling up, and the subtle release. With each exhale, a letting go. You don't need to control your breath. Simply observe it as it flows in and out naturally, effortlessly. Your mind may begin to wander. Thoughts may arise. Memories, feelings. That's perfectly normal. It's what minds do. Acknowledge them without judgment. Simply notice them and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Each time you notice your mind has wandered, it's not a failure. It's an opportunity to begin again, to practice presence, returning to the anchor of your breath. Inhale, feeling the breath. Exhale, letting go. Just this breath and this one. Feeling the gentle rhythm, calming your mind, relaxing your body, allowing yourself to be fully present in this moment. Breathing in peace, breathing out tension, resting in awareness. In gently bring your awareness back to your body. Notice the sensations of your body, sitting or lying down. Feel the support beneath you. Hear the sounds around you. Feel the air on your skin, the temperature, the texture. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently stretch your arms and legs. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and peace with you throughout your day. Thank you for sharing this practice with me.